Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. Bajaj Auto soared 5.72% to 10,998 rupees 5 today, standing out even as Nifty slipped nearly 0.8%. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll see what triggered these moves and which Nifty 50 levels matter now. Foreign and domestic flows read like a split screen. Institutions pushed selective names, while the headline index slipped. Nifty closed at 23,996 rupees 25, down 0.79% from a morning open of 24,150 rupees 45, with a high of 24,166 rupees 3 and a low of 23,961 rupees 4. The index sits below near-term resistance at 24,168 rupees and above support at 24,011 rupees. RSI at 42.8 signals neutral momentum, and the short-term EMA9 at 24,135 rupees is slightly above EMA20 at 24,085 rupees, a mild bullish tilt on short-term price flow despite the daily drop. Volume was essentially normal versus the 20-day average, so today's move looks driven by stock-specific flows rather than a broad market rush. Note the market is trading within about 2.2% of its 52-week high at 26,373 rupees 2, that's a strong resistance zone to respect. Also worth observing, Bajaj Auto is just 0.3% from its 52-week high, last seen 0 sessions ago, which helps explain its heavyweight impact today. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments. I read everyone. Bajaj Auto opened at 10,610 rupees 0 and finished at 10,998 rupees 5, up 5.72%, with an intraday high of 11,031 rupees 0 and a low of 10,575 rupees 0. The move was driven by heavy institutional conviction. Volume ran at 3.62, the 20-day average, and the stock cleared a 20-day closing high, a textbook price discovery breakout. RSI at 79.5 signals overbought conditions, and EMA9 at 10,456 rupees sits above EMA20 at 10,276 rupees, confirming the short-term bullish trend. The key level to watch tomorrow is the immediate support at 10,342 rupees. Holding that level would keep the breakout narrative intact, while resistance sits at today's high of 11,031 rupees 0. If you thought this candle had subtlety, check the chart again. The RSI is practically waving a neon sign. Bridge to the next name. A similar institutional pattern showed up in another consumer heavyweight. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Nestle India opened at 1460 rupees 3 and closed at 1493 rupees 6, up 2.87%, hitting a high of 1510 rupees 0 and a low of 1454 rupees 0. The advance was accompanied by very strong volume, 3.73 the 20-day average and a 20-day closing high breakout, which points to institutional buying and fresh price discovery. RSI at 77.7 is overbought, while EMA9 at 1449 rupees sits above EMA20 at 1437 rupees, so momentum is hot. The key level to watch is resistance at 1510 rupees. If Nestle India can stay above the support around 1436 rupees, that reinforces the short-term strength. Otherwise, a pullback to the EM could cool things off. Nestle's chart today looks like it drank extra espresso, overbought and wide awake. Keep in mind this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. Transitioning to a quieter mover in consumer staples next. Tata Consumer Products opened at 1074 rupees 2 and closed at 1094 rupees 9, up 1.24%, with a high of 1099 rupees 4 and a low of 1071 rupees 1. There was no clear trigger identified today in the data. Volume was essentially normal at 0.95, the 20-day average. RSI at 48.5 reads neutral, so the stock is neither overheated nor oversold. while EMA9 at 1093 rupees sits below EMA20 at 1101, rupees indicating a short-term bearish bias within the intraday chop. The immediate support to watch is 1097 rupees and resistance around 1110 rupees. Holding above 1097 rupees would suggest buyers are defending the zone, whereas a move back below might reopen the short-term down tilt. Tata Consumer is still about 13.9% below its 52-week high set 51 sessions ago, not exactly sprinting for new peaks. And yes, that little candle today had commitment, but not the kind that demands a parade. Today's theme: selective institutional buying powered breakout moves in Bajaj Auto and Nestle India, while the broader Nifty lagged and showed neutral short-term momentum. Top things to watch tomorrow: whether Bajaj Auto holds support near 10,342 rupees, and whether Nestle India can clear and sustain above 1510 rupees. Also watch Nifty's reaction at resistance 24,168 rupees. If you found this useful, like the video, drop your watchlist stock in the comments, and subscribe for more daily market breakdowns. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.